Hello, my name is Richard Affolter and I'm the director of WEBA. Welcome to everyone today to my 3-4 minutes training session for how to improve the number of international students. This is something very important because now we are part of a new era and we have to use all our technology. So at WEBA, we started already in February with this new concept. We welcome many different university, college, high school from different countries, from the United Kingdom, from Australia, the US, Canada. And we worked a lot with different concept and different strategy. But now, let's go to the point. I mean, after so many events, after speaking with so many school director and speaking with a marketing manager, we find a strategy that I think it can be very interesting for everyone to understand that now people want to see what happened inside in the school. So my suggestion is that first of all, you will need to improve your website. This is fundamental. You need to improve your website because you need to integrate a virtual tour. Now here today, we are inside in one university, which is a University of Winchester, to give you an idea, which is located in the UK. And as you can see, they have a fantastic virtual tour, which you can see different area of the university. So this is possible as well for high school, for language school, for business school, because now the people, they want to see what is inside in your campus. So you can present fantastic PowerPoint presentation, but in the end of the day, an international agent or a student or a parent, they want to see the campus. So what I suggest here, first of all, improve your website and include a virtual tour. This is fundamental. Without the virtual tour, you are already 90% out of everything, because now everything goes on this direction. And if you don't go in this direction here, then you will be you will be on the back side compared to your competitor. So here, for example, if you go to the multimedia center, you can see how is the multimedia center. And of course, it's very important to have this live, like we see this with Winchester University. This is something very important. You can see here as well the different accommodation village. They want to see the bedroom. People want to see everything today. So when the agents around the world, they're speaking to the parents or to the students, they want to show them something. So I said, really, we had more than 120 workshops live since February. And we had many different, but it's very difficult to find a university or college or high school who can offer this. So this is really something that I want to suggest, to integrate the virtual tour inside a new website. This will help a lot. How to present your school. Then there are other alternatives, of course. We had as well an alternative, which is in this case, another university. We had many different universities. This is another one that we are working together since a long time, which is Sunderland, and they opt for this direction. So they create like a virtual fair. So they create a virtual fair, and I will show you now just a 10-20 second speech from the university representative. Let me show here a second. Here we go. So during the presentation to the agents, as you can see here is myself, then is the director of Sunderland Europe, Mr. Costa Dimitriadis. He was explaining how everything is working inside in this virtual fair.
But this is actually the reception, right, in Sunderland. When you go to Sunderland, you go to the main reception area, the gateway, as we call it, right? And this is where everything happens. Any information the students want, any problem they have or whatever, that's the reception. And this is the reception they will actually see when they get there. Yeah, continue, Richard.
I will click on the faculty so they can see how you made it.
Yeah.
You will find all the different, let's presume you want to look into business and law and tourism. So this is just to give you an idea. Another alternative, any alternative, or you can add this as well. So this is a second possibility. So this will help you a lot to increase the partnership with agents. You have to work on this direction. This is a second possibility. And today I will give you a third direction as well, which we implemented every day. During my speech to you, I have another 3 workshops running with my staff, and I will show you now with the school. In this case was a high school in the UK. What we did, we include one of our staff at WEBA that will do the Chinese translation in the meantime, because we had a lot of agents coming from China, from Hong Kong, from Taiwan. So we put one of our staff inside and was translating exactly what the speaker was saying from this school. I want to show you here. Screen, if you wish. And in the meantime, Lina, just 1 minute briefly in Chinese for our colleague from Hong Kong, Taiwan, and China. If you can just translate a second.
Sure, no problem. 那么我们的这个威尔斯利学校的话呢，现在有大概40个左右的全寄宿生，然后有20个左右的学生呢是有时候走读，有时候寄宿的，是来自当地的。
So I don't want to show you everything now because it was quite 1.5 minutes. But today I give you 3 hints. 3 hints that you really should consider when you're speaking to agents. In our agent workshop, we had sometimes over 150 agents at once. Sometimes we had 45 agents, sometimes 75 agents. We select the agent. We know them since over 25 years. They are part of our big portal, which is webaworkshop.ning.com. We have at the moment 3,600 agents inside. So if you're clicking on my network, here you will see a little bit more information. And of course, you need to sign up if you want to become a member of WEBA. So there are many things that we can help in you to increase the number of international students. So this is all for me for today. So you have an idea what you can do to increase the number of your students. If you need any help, if you need any support, if you need any customized workshop with our agents, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much for the attention that you give to us today, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.